PPC is proud that all of our products are made in the United States. We have 2 factories located in the Dallas County area and also in Odessa, Texas. So we're very pleased, we're very excited about the fact that we can build everything and be competitive worldwide based on our products being manufactured in the United States. One thing that allows us to be competitive is our team. Our team is very efficient, very effective, and they get the job done most of the time right the first time, but even if we don't, we're still very effective in the corrections that are needed. Nobody's perfect, but we're pretty close to it.